Hi! In front of me is Nokia G20, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Then go into Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. From here you can pick a photo that you want to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, choose Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. When you're done, select Apply, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!